Hello, hello, hello. Merry Christmas, everybody. Welcome to the Kool Zone. I know everyone is out there enjoying their time with their friends and family and all their loved ones. I just wanted to make a quick video, nothing too long, short and sweet, of one of my gifts that I received today. And if you are a person who loves their beer, this right here is for you. As you can see right at that bottom right there is the thing that you use to open up your beer. As you can see right there, close look. I am definitely recommending this mug to anyone who loves and enjoys their beer like I do. So let's get to it. So what we're going to be doing right now for today, we are going to be sipping on this Two Roads beer from Stratford, Connecticut. It's the holiday beer. I tried this last year. The taste was amazing. I didn't get a chance to do a video on it, but we are going to do it today. So Two Roads, big shout out to you guys on this holiday L. And I'm just going to show exactly how we are going to crack open this beer.
It's not my ego to help me move the needle. I'm on top now, bitch, I'm like the steeple. Church, please come pray for him. Cause I ain't got shit here to say to him. Scientifically, only my DNA can make something sound so gifted. See, I put the words to the beat. It's just that simple. The soundtrack of my life is me. I let you hear the important shit. I had a rough
Merry Christmas, everyone, from the Kool Zone.
draft, one shot, one chance. But everybody want the finer things in. I just want to be a superstar. See, I just want to drop the top off. And I just want to ball real hard. But it don't mean shit when I'm
Amazing.
I just want to be a
Stay safe, everyone.
I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Won't take